Welcome to our video on the top 11 least healthy holiday foods. Today we will discover why these popular dishes might not be the best choice for your health. Let's start our journey towards a healthier holiday season. Food number 1, cranberry sauce. Often a staple at holiday tables, cranberry sauce is frequently loaded with sugar. Commercially prepared versions can contain as much as 22 grams of sugar per serving, which significantly contributes to excessive sugar intake. High sugar consumption is linked to various health issues like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Additionally, cranberry sauce often lacks fiber, especially if made from juices rather than whole cranberries, making it less nutritious than one might expect from a fruit-based dish. Food number 2, eggnog. Eggnog is a traditional holiday beverage known for its rich, creamy texture and high calorie content. A typical cup of eggnog can contain over 200 calories and 10 grams of fat, much of which is saturated fat. This can contribute to weight gain and increased cholesterol levels. Eggnog is also high in sugar, which can spike blood sugar levels. Moreover, the presence of raw eggs in homemade versions poses a risk of salmonella infection if not properly prepared. Food number 3, fruitcake. Fruitcake, dense and loaded with candied fruits and nuts, can be very high in calories and sugar. A single slice can easily contain over 400 calories. The candied fruits are a significant source of added sugar, contributing to increased calorie intake and potential dental issues. Additionally, fruitcakes often contain large amounts of butter or oil, adding to their high fat content, particularly saturated fat, which is detrimental to heart health. Food number 4, mulled wine. Mulled wine, a holiday favorite, is typically prepared with added sugars, sometimes in substantial amounts. A single glass can have up to 20 grams of sugar, contributing to an increased risk of weight gain and blood sugar spikes. The alcohol content in mulled wine can also contribute to dehydration and may interact with certain medications. Excessive alcohol consumption is linked to several health issues, including liver problems and an increased risk of certain cancers. Food number 5, pecan pie. Pecan pie is one of the most calorie-dense holiday desserts. A standard slice can contain over 500 calories, with a significant amount of those calories coming from high levels of sugar and fat. The high sugar content can lead to energy spikes and crashes, while the high fat content, especially from butter and corn syrup, can contribute to increased cholesterol levels. Additionally, pecan pies are often made with refined flour, which lacks nutritional value and can affect blood sugar levels. Food number 6, creamy soups. Creamy soups are often made with heavy cream or whole milk, leading to high fat and calorie content. A cup of these soups can contain over 15 grams of fat, much of which may be saturated fat, contributing to heart disease risk. They can also be high in sodium, potentially leading to increased blood pressure and fluid retention. Furthermore, these soups often lack sufficient fiber, making them less filling and potentially leading to overeating. Food number 7, spinach and artichoke dip. Although it contains vegetables, spinach and artichoke dip is usually made with cream cheese, mayonnaise, and sour cream, leading to a high calorie count and fat content. One serving can have up to 300 calories and high levels of saturated fat, impacting heart health. The dip can also be high in sodium, especially when prepared commercially, increasing the risk of high blood pressure. Additionally, it's often served with chips or bread, which can add to the overall calorie and carb intake. Food number 8, prime rib. Prime rib is a rich source of saturated fat, with a typical serving containing over 24 grams of fat. This can contribute to elevated cholesterol levels and increased risk of heart disease. It is also high in calories, making portion control challenging during the festive season. Prime rib's high protein content can be beneficial, but it's important to balance it with healthier cooking methods and side dishes. Additionally, consuming large amounts of red meat has been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. Food number 9, green bean casserole. Often perceived as a healthier option, green bean casserole can be surprisingly high in sodium, especially when prepared with canned soup and processed fried onions. one serving can contain over 500 milligrams of sodium, contributing to high blood pressure. The casserole also often contains cream, adding unnecessary fats and calories. While it does include green beans, their nutritional value is diminished by the high-calorie additives. Food number 10, sausage stuffing. Sausage stuffing is a high-calorie, high-fat dish, often made with white bread, butter, and sausage. A cup can have over 300 calories and 20 grams of fat, contributing to weight gain. The sausage increases the dish's saturated fat and sodium content, which can negatively impact heart health. Additionally, the white bread used in stuffing is high in simple carbohydrates, which can cause blood sugar levels to spike. Food number 11, frosted sugar cookies. These festive treats are usually high in sugar, with one cookie containing over 20 grams of sugar. High sugar intake is linked to obesity, dental problems, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. The frosting often contains trans fats, which are harmful to heart health. These cookies are also made with refined flour and provide little nutritional value. Moreover, the festive shapes and colors can encourage overconsumption, especially in children. We hope this guide helps you make healthier choices this holiday season. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy your favorite foods in smaller portions and try healthier alternatives. For more tips on healthy eating, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy holidays and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more health tips.